In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Excel. Start by opening your Excel spreadsheet. Once your file is on screen, click on the cell where you want the hyperlink to appear. This is the cell that will hold the clickable text, so choose the location carefully before moving on. Next, look up to the top menu bar in Excel. Click the Insert tab to open the tools for adding items into your worksheet. After that, move your cursor across to the right side of the ribbon and click the link icon. This will open the hyperlink window where you can control what the link says and where it takes people. In the pop-up window, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You will see several linking options there. For this method, click Existing File or Web Page. This option is the correct choice when you want to link to a website or another file that already exists. Now go to the Text to Display box at the top of the window. Click inside that box and type the words you want people to see in the cell. This is the visible text of the hyperlink, so it should be clear and easy to understand. For example, you might use a short label that tells the viewer exactly what the link is for. Then click inside the address box at the bottom of the window. In this field, type or paste the full web URL. Make sure the address is correct, because this is what determines where the hyperlink will send someone when they click it. If the web address is incomplete or typed incorrectly, the link may not work as expected. Once both fields are filled in, click the OK button in the bottom right corner of the window. Excel will then place the hyperlink into the cell you selected. You should now see the display text in that cell, and it will function as a clickable link. This is a simple way to make your spreadsheet more useful, especially when you want to direct people to websites or related resources without cluttering the sheet with a long web address. That covers everything you need to know.